Hey YouTube, hey, how's it going? Hey, in this video I wanted to show you a couple nickels here. One of these nickels is from 2006. It's a D, Liberty nickel. This one's from 2015. Um, this one here is my daughter brought this down to me, and she said my nickel is broken, and I couldn't figure out what she was talking about. But as you look, this one here actually has the same. It's a two-faced nickel. It's the same one. Um, this nickel here has the Monticello on the back, just like you would expect, um, and then the Jefferson head on the front. Now, if we go back to this one, so this came out of her bank, and it's been sitting in there for some time now, I guess. But she said the nickel broke, and so I was like, so she brought it to me, and she came down and said, look, it's separated. So I wanted to ask you guys what was going on here in 2006. If this was a mint error, or having two different faces on here like that, or the not two different faces, but a double-headed nickel. Um, I am by no means a coin expert, but I figured there's a YouTube guy out there that knows. This basically the coin separated, um, and you can see the inside of the nickel has a spot weld that looked like it broke. And is this common, or but there's two pieces to this same nickel that fit together, so you can clearly see the nickel has two sides of the same. Um, so what's the thing here? What's going on? Let me know what you guys think, and leave a comment for me. Thanks, appreciate it.